Apologies, I've had to do this week's mission matrix in two parts. I got cut off just as I was explaining about Henry Moore and his artwork. So you'll have two PowerPoints and lots of information about him. He was very famous back during World War II, where he observed people who were living in safety underground, and he looked at the positions of their bodies, and then he visualized those into shapes, and he created sculptures. You'll be able to find out a lot about him in the PowerPoints, as I say. And your task this week is to create your own sculpture. And for that, you can use scrunched up newspaper or magazines with sellotape or masking tape, anything that you've got. Paper mache, you'll be able to find instructions on how to do paper mache online, should you wish to use that. Any junk recyclable materials or clay or Play-Doh, whatever you've got in your home, really. And I want you to create your sculpture and take a photo of it to share with me. I then want you to write down the comparison between your sculpture and the ones that Henry Moore created. Think about what's similar, what is different about the two sculptures. What do you like about your sculpture? What would you change about it? What do you like about Henry Moore's sculptures? And so on. As much information to compare the two as is possible. And just to go back to the numeracy true or false task, I had forgotten to upload it into your matrix, but here it is. So here's the true or false question. The answer isn't on here. I'll be giving you that during a live check-in next week. So each child has represented the same amount. Is that true or is that false? If you think it's true, justify it. And if you think it's false, justify it. And remember, justify means to explain why, yes, they are the same, or no, they're not the same amount. So a little problem-solving thinking task for you. There's also an additional little video there about ordering numbers that you might find helpful. And again, to access that link, you press the control button on your device or your computer and click to open the link. Moving on then to our thinking task. So it's dentistry through the ages that we're looking at. And this week is all about the terrible Tudors. Dun, dun, dun. Some information about them here, videos for you to watch, and a fun clip again from the horrible histories. And remember, when you're creating your fact file about the terrible Tudors and dentists in that time, it's really important that you bring in that information about the dentistry, because that's the point of our task more than anything. And Healthy Me. So, In My Heart is a story by Joe Whittaker, and it explains to us that emotions are positive, neutral, and negative. And throughout the book, the author makes it clear that we all experience a variety of emotions, and all those emotions are okay. So to listen to the story is a click here to YouTube, where you'll be able to listen to that story. And if I scroll down then, your task following on from watching that is a letter about how I'm feeling. So you can write to whoever you want. You can write to me, you can write to your mum, your dad, whomever it might be, Mrs. Thomas. You decide and tell us like how you have been feeling, or you've been feeling this way because, trying to explain why. And I've also been feeling, so it might be a different emotion this time, and because. And what do you do to help you feel better? I think it might help if something happens. What's that something that you would like? And then you sign your letter, who it's from. Again, you can type it on a Word document and share it with me, or you can handwrite it and share with me a picture of your work. Whatever is easiest to you. But as always, there's no pressure on you to print anything out. I try and ensure that you can access everything online and then complete it in your workbook or on a document like Adobe Spark or Word, whatever it might be. So that's this week's missions. As I say, live check-in is on Tuesday the 23rd this week, and I've kept the Wednesday one the same on the 24th, just in case there's an issue with anyone being able to join on the Tuesday. But we can run through things again on the Wednesday. We can check how we've all got on to that point. And we can just have a little chat and see how we're all feeling, really. So I hope this helps you, and I look forward to speaking to you in the week. Take care. Bye.